Hello everyone. With this video I want to share how you can learn stock market trading and investing for free without paying any fees of rupees 20 to 30,000 to anyone, right? Let's begin. I will share two channels, right? First is Zerodha. As you know, Zerodha is a topmost broker, and they also had educational arm, which is Zerodha Varsity. And the second one is Grow. Definitely, Grow is also a prominent name in broking industry. So these two, company provide a very structured way of learning stock market. Provide content for very structured way. So people don't know it, so they try to get confused, try to find content in some online courses, and also they get confused while learning. So this video might help you to understand how we can learn stock market in a structured way. First is Zerodha Varsity. You can search in your Google. You will find Zerodha Varsity. So let's check out Zerodha Varsity website, then I will let you know about the YouTube channel. Can click here, and this is Zerodha Varsity, free and open, right? So here you can see videos are there, modules. This is the website. So for this page is very important for your understanding. This page is very important. Here you can see modules are divided. This is text content. You will also find this content in app also. Zerodha Varsity app is also available, and this is video content, live video content, online courses which is free for everyone. This is videos, this is certified programs, and this is for kids, right? So you can check modules, but for starting purpose I will request you to check videos section first, right? Because videos give clear understanding to the users. So here is the videos. First is introduction to stock market. You can view the module, click on view modules, and you will find this is how they had explained the things in a very simple way, right? Then second is technical analysis. In technical analysis find a 12 chapters, fundamental analysis, then comes the future trading, right? So when a beginner novice trader begins in the market, they start with futures and options, so they get confused. So before understanding futures and options, I think that you should know the introductions, technical analysis part, fundamental analysis, the basics of market, right? So this module you can check out to learn the basics, right? uh, then if you want to go further, you can join the live sessions, right? Basics of fundamental analysis, right? 29th October, you can apply now. I think it is for free, and I have not checked, but most probably this is free. Basics of option theory and all, you can join the live session. All recorded sessions are there. This is free, 2 day 3 day program, so you can check out that. I don't know, but most probably this is free, right? Because no prices are mentioned, so you can check this out too, right? So for Zerodha Varsity, I think videos module, video section, and video section and live session are enough for getting a basic understanding of market, right? Then you can also check out the Zerodha Varsity YouTube channel. Zerodha Varsity YouTube channel. In this you will find various videos about market, but here for beginning you can check out this complete guide to basics of stock market. So these videos are same which are listed in the video section of Zerodha Varsity. So these are same videos only. You can check out from YouTube also, directly from YouTube also, and various other concepts are also discussed here, so you can check out this too, right? So moving on, third is Grow YouTube channel. Grow has also provided a very structured content for their users. I believe Grow is also doing really well in the content part also, as well as in broking. Of course, in broking they are doing well. So Grow has various channels like mutual funds, IPO with Grow, trading with Grow, bottom line with Grow. So if you want to know about IPO reviews, right, so you can follow IPO channel. If you want to learn about trading only, so you can click on trading with Grow, and you will get a trading related content, right? So these are the trading related contents. But I would say the first preference should be given to Zerodha Varsity only, because this content is, trust me, very good for beginners, right? Grow is providing some little bit of advanced concept also, but Zerodha Varsity has, deep understanding about users and how they actually interpret the market, how they explain in such a way they explain to users is very nice. I personally, at my beginning, personally I've checked out this, but I'm from finance background, so for me it's very basic thing. But yeah, if you want to start, you can check out Zerodha Varsity. This one is the must be your first preference, right? For learning the basics of market. Then of course at the end you can try a little bit of trading with your own funds, with small lots, with a small amount of money by investing, so it will give you a practical knowledge of market. So that's how you can learn market. It will take time, but definitely you can learn it if you go in a structured way. That's it for this. Thank you.